Before you become a police officer, you go through training on a number of different topics. One of the most dangerous things you learn about is how to respond to a domestic violence call. Brian Bennett is an instructor at the South Carolina Criminal Justice Academy in Columbia. He teaches various techniques at the academy.
Well, the first understanding that we give our cadets is that the reason that domestic violence is so dangerous is because if you understand that if someone is willing to harm their intimate partner, they're willing to harm just about anyone else. Well, the first thing we have to do is teach them about safety, to gather as much information as they possibly can about the domestic violence call that they're going to. And then once we arrive on the scene, the first thing we have to do is restore order and gain control.
Because often an abuser uses control over his or her victim against them. They attempt to separate the couple.
Because as long as disputing parties can see each other, things will continue to be antagonistic. But more importantly, our abusers can use both verbal and nonverbal communication to intimidate our victims.
Once separated, the situation may be able to be diffused and the investigation into what happened can begin. Of course, it's best to get out of an abusive relationship before it requires calling 911. We actually have the phone number for the National Domestic Violence Hotline at counton2.com. In Goose Creek, I'm Raymond Owens. Count on 2.